Hi guys, walk on. It's your girl Kim Carr here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create this edgy black and yellow graphic eyeliner. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face with the Sacha mattifier. It is my go-to mattifier for everyday wear. I did my brows off camera, but as you know, I have a brow tutorial on my channel which I will link in the description box below. So I'm going to be applying my foundation. I use the Maybelline Superstay foundation in 362 Truffle, and I mixed that with the Estee Lauder Double Wear in Nutmeg. I feel like nutmeg is a little bit too light for my complexion, so I try to mix it with the Maybelline Superstay foundation to give me that perfect blend. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and this is in the shade Tan. I really love this concealer. I have been using it more often than my LA Girl Pro. I like the consistency, it's nice and thick, and I like the coverage that I get from it. I really like this concealer. I think this is going to be my go-to concealer from now on. Comment down below some of your go-to concealers and put me on. Next, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance concealer stick, and I believe this is in the color dark, and I'm going to be using that to kind of contour my fat round face and slim down my nice little nose and kind of camouflage my 5 head. Yeah, I think that this concealer is a good consistency and it does the job, but it's not necessarily my favorite. I like the bronzy look that I get from it, and I've been using it more often than my LA Girl Pro concealer to contour. I'm gonna be blending that out with a beauty sponge. I blend out my concealer first, and then I go ahead and I blend out my contour. Now with this Black Radiance concealer stick, it kind of dry down really fast, so if you want, you can set that first. It's just a habit why I set my highlight before my contour, so just bear that in mind if you're going to use this concealer stick. Next, I'm gonna set my face with my Sacha Buttercup powder over my highlighted areas. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Queen collection to kind of set my contour. I'm now going to use my all over face powder. It is the MAC Studio Fix in NW44. I really like this powder. I like the consistency of it. I like the coverage of it. As you know, you can wear it with or without foundation, and I like how I was able to blend out my face without much difficulty. Now going to set my face with MAC Prep and Prime, my Fix Plus. Then we're going to move on to some blush. You guys know the blush that I always use is the Milani Baked blush. I really like this blush. You can comment down below some of your favorite blushes and put me on also. I'm going to be using the LA Colors Matte Liquid Eyeliner. the LA Colors Chrome Liquid Eyeliner, which is like a glittery kind of eyeliner, and the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. Before I start the liner, I'm going to place some of the MAC Studio Fix powder all over my eyes, because for some reason I like to apply eyeliner on, I don't like to apply it on my bare eye. I always like to put something on my eye and then apply the eyeliner. So now we're gonna start the eyes. I start with the liquid eyeliner first, the black one. This eyeliner is okay. To be honest, it's not the best, but I bought it for the purpose of making this video. It can go on. Next, I used the Shockwave Neon Eyeliner, and to be honest, this eyeliner was very hard to work with. I believe that I only used it for one eye. On the next eye, I just used the glitter eyeliner straight, because this was very hard to work with, and to be honest, I feel like it's a waste of my money. I will not be buying any more of those, because even though you see it is very long like that, I don't think there is much product in it, so it is a real waste of money. It is not value for your money at all. So I kind of used that to base the yellow and place it on my eye, and then I went over it with the glitter eyeliner. This glitter eyeliner is okay. You get a lot of product on the brush, and it's a good payoff. I mean, you can really see that it is gold, but it was very hard to work with also. I don't know if it's because I'm not used to using liquid eyeliners. I'm used to using felt tip eyeliners. I haven't used liquid eyeliner in a very long time, so maybe that's why it was very difficult for me. But I managed to angle my business and get the look done. So just bear that in mind if you're considering purchasing these products. So I laid down the Shockwave, the neon eyeliner first, and then I put the glitter eyeliner over that to kind of let the yellow pop. I applied as many layers as I wanted. Now you can apply as many layers as you want. If you just want 2 layers, if you want 4 layers, you must know. But I really wanted this eyeliner to be very dramatic. That's why I added so many layers. I went ahead and I finished up the other eye. So after I finished up the other eye, I applied my lashes off camera, and then I went into my waterline and applied some of the neon Shockwave on my waterline. And I applied some blue eyeshadow down the bottom to kind of smoke out down there and kind of give my eyes some more of a pop. of a more dramatic feel to the look. On my lips, I use the LA Girl lipstick. It's a cream lipstick. You don't know the lipstick, I don't have the lipstick in front of me now, but it's a nice creamy lipstick, and I really love the lip shades from this line. I mean, I would buy every single color. The color payoff is good. It go on creamy on your lips and it lasts long. I really like this lip color from LA Girl. And that is basically it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If not, you can give me a thumbs down. Let me know what going on. You know the thing's set already. As always, love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. The girl left going